This is how you make the best barbecue chicken. I have 3 thighs and drumsticks here, and I'm going to make diagonal cuts like this. These cuts are to help the seasoning add well to the meat. And I'm going to add a cup of lemon juice here. I'll also add the juice of an orange, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'll stir it in so I can dip the chicken in it. 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, black pepper to taste. Add 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and Calabrian pepper to taste. Now let's mix it very well. I'll cover it with plastic wrap and it will marinate for an hour. Then we'll take these thighs and drumsticks to the frying pan. I'll turn them over and let them fry on the other side too. And now I'm going to add the sauce we used for marinating. I'll put the lid on and let the chicken cook in this sauce for 15 minutes. Add some chopped parsley on top. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.